Hello there everybody, welcome back to Cool Science, and as you can probably figure out from reading the title, we're going to make a lava lamp today. By no means is this in any sense a traditional lava lamp where it has a heat source on the bottom and it's making the globs float up and down, but we're going to be making this out of chemistry really. So we're going to need four basic things. We're going to need some table salt. Right there. Some oil, vegetable oil, olive oil, any oil works fine. A glass to put it in, and some water. Now optionally you can have some food coloring, but I'm not going to put food coloring in it for this purpose. This is just a demonstration. Alright, well I've already prepared the olive oil and water mixture here. As you can see, the olive oil is on the top and the water is on the bottom. This is because the oil is less dense than the water, so it basically floats, and it won't dissolve in the water either because oil is a nonpolar substance and water is a polar substance. So basically all we gotta do is take a little scoop of our salt here and pour it in there. Now, as you can see, it pulled down a glob of oil. Now, this is because, as I said, water is more dense than the oil, so it's at the bottom. Well, the salt is even more dense than the oil too, and more dense than the water. So when you put the salt in the water, in the oil and water mixture, the salt will fall right through the oil and attach to, and as you can see, the oil glob is floating up now, and there's your lava lamp. But the salt will pull some of the oil down with it, and now the salt and the oil is at the bottom of the water. So as the salt starts to dissolve, the oil gets released and it starts floating back to the surface. You can repeat this as many times as you like. Try different quantities. See, I made a really big one there. I thought this was a pretty cool experiment, especially something you can do at your house. You just keep pouring the salt in there and globs and globs of it. It's pretty cool how there's science in the household. Yeah, so if you are going to put the food coloring in it, you want to put the food coloring in before you put the oil on. And when you're pouring the oil into the water, pour it gently, because you don't want it to take a while for it to separate. You want to get to the process as quick as possible. Just keep pouring the salt in there. Now, I've never tried to see what would happen if you make a saturated solution out of it. I don't know if it would still dissolve it or not, if it would hold the oil down there or what. But again, try this at home. It's real fun. But other than that, please subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for watching.